More and more people are shifting to the internet to increase their income. You can also do this and make a hefty amount via the internet. But the question would arise in your mind: how can we do this without skills and zero knowledge? Don't worry about it. We are here for you guys. One of the easiest and simplest ways to make money online is to publish your skills and services on freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr. It is easy to earn money online if you have professional skills like graphic designing, web designing, and software development. But the problem is if you don't have any skills, then what? If you want to make money online as a freelancer, you've come to the right place. Because in this video, I will teach you how to make money via Fiverr and Upwork without any skill or knowledge. Follow up till the end of the video. So are you ready? Let's get started now. The first Fiverr gig as a service you can offer on the freelance marketplace is image background removal. Removing the background of an image is an easy task. Many gigs provide this service and make good money on Fiverr and Upwork. If you guys are confused that you don't know how to work with Adobe Photoshop, then there is no need to worry. I will teach you. But before we go, you can see how many people are providing these services on Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, now how to remove the background? All you have to do is go to Google and search for background remover. Then click on one of B remover, upload your image, and select background remove. After some processing, you can see your picture. All you need to do is create gigs on Fiverr. This way you can earn good money without any skills. Suppose English is not your strong suit. Then better reading, also known as proofreading, is a perfect fit for you. You may not be the best writer in the freelance world, but you can surely fix professionals' mistakes. If you love to read, one way you can earn cash on Fiverr is to become a better reader. This has become one of the second best jobs because of how quickly you can get up and running. Most people prefer to have an extra set of eyes to read the entire text to ensure there are no inconsistencies or grammatical errors. It may seem like a modification job. Beta reading focuses on formatting, syntax, spelling, grammatical errors, etc. as you post your pitch on Fiverr, how you'll craft it to attract clients' attention. Make sure you deliver high-quality work and take the least amount of time. You guys are wondering what SEO is. Relax, this is nothing but search engine optimization. Optimizing a website on Google or other search engine tool is a skill so that you can get free traffic from search engines. Fiverr provides SEO reports for any type of website, and how you can provide services like SEO report on Fiverr. It's another Fiverr gig that requires no skills and zero knowledge. Now the question is how you can sell your services. You can simply provide in-depth SEO reports using some free tools like an SEO analyzer. If someone asks for an SEO report, just ask them for the website URL. And all you have to do is copy and paste the URL and click on Review. Download the report, and it's done. Thus, you can provide SEO report services on Fiverr gig and earn a lot of money. Are you bilingual or fluent in more than one language? So this gig might fit you. You can pocket $5 from a single gig by offering a translation service. Translation can be done in text or audio format. How much you make will depend on the language's quality range, word count, and geography. Compared to learning a language, translation has its fair share of perks. Even if the second language is new to you, you can still deliver the gig using Google Translate. That free tool will give you a rough translation, and you can quickly smooth it out. Some buyers want to hire you to translate content from any other language into your native language. Fiverr is a huge marketplace where people need all kinds of services, and everything is sold there. A testimonial is a brief review of a product or business offered by a firm to persuade others to take a shot at it. You will be provided with a script or outline of what you want to say in the video. Video testimonials are among the most well-paying and sought-after gigs on Fiverr. Unbelievable as it sounds, leading brands look for people to give trustworthy video testimonials. Their first resort is often Fiverr. You can earn lofty money with video testimonials as a confident speaker. You only need a high-resolution camera and a suitable location with good lighting to film your video. You can choose to buy a high-quality camcorder using your smartphone camera, provided it has a standard resolution. Your pitch should be convincing enough for clients to hire you. Your gig post should say, "For $5, I'll make a 2-minute video testimonial." Keep it short and to the point, as you should with all gigs you post on Fiverr. People hire virtual assistants to take care of boring and uncreative tasks. And with today's remote working world, companies and executives are learning how to hire virtual assistants. In this role, you will handle many typical office admin duties, but from the comfort of your own. It depends on the client what kind of work they will take from you. Sometimes you'll set people's schedules, answer emails, and possibly even arrange travel for someone. All you need is to be organized and have good communication skills. As a virtual assistant, you can earn a lot of money if you can do a bunch of work. YouTube SEO may seem like a task that requires the services of an SEO expert, but no, it's not a fact. Most Fiverr experts include some essential keywords in the video description and about section of the YouTube profile. You can also do this same job. This job includes adding keywords to the metadata for the channel image, adding the channel and video tags, adding social media links, optimizing playlists, etc. It requires no skill, just a little common sense, but pays well. Okay, we know ads are annoying, but they drive business. Many people are willing to start advertising there and want to create their HTML ads. When you open any website on the internet, you see advertisements on YouTube. All these ads are HTML5 ads, so someone might ask you to design HTML5 ads for my promotion or campaign on their website. You think you are not a web designer or developer. How can you create such an ad? Don't worry. It's as simple as visiting creatively.com and starting to create HTML5 banners for ads. You can simply give him the end code, and he will post it directly on the website. So if you have no skills or zero knowledge, you can create a gig on Fiverr to start earning today. Resell Services. Yes, it is. How? Don't worry. Let me tell you how you can and what it means. You can do this through outsourcing. Just go to Fiverr and create a gig. Make a gig on whatever you want. For example, you will do SEO for $100. So when you win a project, go to Fiverr or other websites like Guru and Freelancer and post it for just $30. In this way, you can make $70. Fiverr offers opportunities for people with little skill or knowledge to complete tasks for others without any prior experience or effort. These gigs can be highly beneficial to those who take the time to complete them, as they can provide a new and unique opportunity to learn something new and improve their skills. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you will never miss our latest videos. Take care, and thank you for watching.